Rainy season and the winter demands a downpour of preparation of sweets as well as desserts at our homes. Therefore, in this episode, we have the presentation of preparing peanut chicky. This is not just easy to prepare but also carries hundreds of memories along with it. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first stage in preparing chicky is to dry roast the peanuts. Here we have taken about 1 cup or 250 grams of raw peanuts. It is important to roast the peanuts gently and carefully on a medium or a low flame. It roughly takes about 20 minutes to roast the peanuts completely. A pro tip here is to roast them on a low flame slowly and gently. Once we have roasted the peanuts, it is time to dehusk the peanuts. So let us transfer the roasted peanuts onto a kitchen napkin and dehusk the peanuts gently and carefully without breaking them. So here we have completed the first stage of roasting the peanuts as well as dehusking them. So it is time for our second stage of preparing the chicky, and that is to melt the jaggery. Here we have taken 3/4 cup or 200 grams of jaggery into a pan. After jaggery comes 60 ml or 2 tablespoons of water. So the measurement goes something like this. For every 100 grams of jaggery, we need to add 1 tablespoon or 30 ml of water. After adding water to the jaggery, we have to melt the jaggery on a medium flame. It takes about 10 minutes for the mixture to get ready with the perfect texture. And by the way, once this turns golden in color, this is called soft ball stage. And at this stage, it is very easy to test the consistency. All we need to do is to add a teaspoon of the mixture into the cold water, and when it sounds like a glass, our mixture is ready. Having said that, it is time to add the roasted peanuts into the melted jaggery. It is important to be quick from this stage. So let us add the peanuts, turn off the stove and give this a good mix. And it is time to add the mixture into a pre-greased pan. Once we have added the mixture, let us place a butter paper or a plate and let us press this with a heavy object. Once we have given it a good press, let us allow this to rest and cool for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it is time to cut the chickies. You can shape these with the help of your desired molds. Having said that, our crispy, crunchy, tasty and most memorable peanut chickies are ready. We request you to prepare this at your homes and enjoy the bliss with your family. If you like the episode, don't forget to click the like button and to share it with your friends. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.